putting an end to a glorious 16-year-old journey. Former Team India skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni has announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. The swashbuckling batsman made this announcement on social media yesterday, that is 15th of August. Mahendra Singh Dhoni shared a montage of his journey so far to make the announcement.
Right area.
तो इधर पुजारा को उसी के लिए रखा है, उधर ताली बजाने के लिए नहीं है.
The Ranchi boy made his debut in 2004 against Bangladesh and went on to lead the Team India to win the ICC 2011 World Cup, ICC Champions Trophy in 2013 and the 2007 T20 World Cup. Till date, he remains the only Indian captain to hold every ICC trophy under his belt. Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout. From 1929 hours, consider me as retired. Read the post of the formal announcement.
He departs first ball. And that's most unfortunate. This is his debut.
The post, however, did not mention the formats he is retiring from. Dhoni is expected to play in the upcoming IPL 2020 in UAE, as he was spotted earlier arriving in Chennai for Chennai Super Kings training camp before they fly out. Let's have a look on top 5 Mahendra Singh Dhoni moments when he showed he is the coolest captain of all time. The Mahendra Singh Dhoni we have seen in the recent past is not the one we have known over the years. The grey sideburns might have worked as a reminder to the world every day that his time is over, but the decision was made by Dhoni on 15th of August, the day of India's independence, that it is time to bid adieu to international cricket and watch the game from the other side of the fence. He looked a pale shadow of his former self for a while, but that cannot take away what has been an illustrious career, first as a player and then as the leader of the pack. From the inaugural World T20 triumph from 2007 to the fabled 2011 50-over World Cup win on home soil and then the 2013 Champions Trophy victory in England, Dhoni led by examples and tasted the success which no other Indian captain has ever managed. He even led India to the #1 ranking both in Test and ODI formats. Orissa Post Live takes a look at the 5 episodes during Dhoni's stint as India captain, which proved that he was the coolest of them all. With the seniors rested and under a new captain, no one really gave India a chance in a format which was new to them. India under Dhoni with the long hair then proved critics wrong with spectacular wins over England, South Africa and Australia to reach the finals where arch rivals Pakistan awaited them. It was a nerve-wracking summit clash and came down to Pakistan needing 13 runs from the final over. Of all the people, Dhoni handed the ball to Joginder Sharma, raising quite a few eyebrows. Joginder was hit for a 6 by Pakistan skipper Misbah-ul-Haq in the second ball of the 20th over, but what happened in the next ball will be remembered forever. Misbah went for a needless scoop shot over short, fine leg but could only manage to find the S. Sushant, who took an easy catch and helped India win by 5 runs in the inaugural ICC World Cup T20.
In the air, Srishant takes it! India win!
Yuvraj Singh's all-round brilliance had helped India reach the final on home soil. India had the likes of Sachin Tendulkar and Virendra Sehwag opening the batting but chasing a challenging 275 for victory in the summit clash against Sri Lanka at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. India lost both iconic openers inside 31 runs. Gautam Gambhir came out at number 3 and batted brilliantly for his 97, but it was Dhoni's masterstroke to push himself up the order and ahead of in-form Yuvraj, which did the trick for India. The Ranchi dasher smashed an unforgettable 91 off 79 balls, including the winning 6 of Nuwan Kulaskera in the 14th over to lead India to a second World Cup crown. It was exceptional from Dhoni both in the mind and with the bat, as he theatrically became part of cricketing folklore. Rohit Sharma has said time and again that Dhoni improved his ODI career by asking him to open the batting in the format before the 2013 Champions Trophy in England. Since opening the batting, Rohit has scaled heights in jet speed and can now be termed as one of the best opening batsmen in the game after his superlative performance in the 2019 World Cup, where he not only finished as the highest run getter but also scored a record 5 centuries. Rohit earlier in 2019 became the fastest to 6,000 runs as an opener in ODI cricket and now has 6,691 runs in 130 innings opening the batting.
Well, that's it. Ganguly finishes things off for India.
A defining moment came in the rain-affected final of the Champions Trophy in Birmingham, where Dhoni asked Ishant Sharma, who had been expensive before that, to bowl the 18th over, and the tall pacer snatched 2 wickets in 2 balls to break Ian Morgan and Ravi Bopara's 64-run stand and eventually helped India win the game and the coveted trophy. It was not a tournament where India ended as champions, losing to West Indies in the semi-finals. But in the last ICC event, as skipper, Dhoni was brilliant once again in leading the side, and India's 1-run win over Bangladesh had a lot of Dhoni moments which will be remembered forever. Hardik Pandya took 3 wickets of the last 3 balls as Bangladesh needed 11 runs in the final over, chasing 147 for victory. Dhoni's unbelievable stumping to remove Sabir Rahman and his field placements in the final over and a run out of the last ball were the highlights.
Through the outside, he's running through, it could be run out.
After Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Suresh Raina bids adieu to international cricket. His message on Instagram read, "I choose to join you in this journey. Thank you, India." Raina's post comes minutes after Dhoni announced over Instagram that he will not be donning the blue anymore. The Chennai Super Kings duo, though, are expected to play in the upcoming IPL 2020 in the UAE, for which both of them arrived in Chennai for a training camp ahead of the team's departure for UAE. "You don't play for the crowd, you play for the country," was the words said by Mahendra Singh Dhoni always. Dear Dhoni, every time we watch cricket, you will be missed. Team Orissa Post Live wishes all the success to Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Suresh Raina in their upcoming future. Accepting sudden announcement of Dhoni's retirement has left his fans spellbound. For all the latest updates, stay tuned to Orissa Post Live.